Welcome everybody, we back with another one. In this episode, we're going to hit you with the Banana Republic Collection Reserve. I mean, they said it in Italian, but I can't pronounce it. Let's go. What's going on, everybody, man? It's been a while, but we're back in it. We're going to drop some videos like back to back. We're going to try to hit them real quick for you. So today we're going to go with the Banana Republic line. Now the Banana Republic line has several fragrances if you're not aware, and they have some very good collection reserve fragrances as well. So I only have 3 in my collection, and I plan on getting more from the Banana Republic line because they have very good fragrances, Extrait de Parfum and Eau de Parfum quality fragrances. So today the 3 what we're gonna rock with, behind my face, fresh pear and coconut. Okay, then next up we're gonna hit you with the marshmallow and lavender. Let's go. Okay, and lastly, one of my favorite, we definitely gonna end off on my favorite, which is sandalwood and musk. You see what I'm saying? The sandalwood and musk. So, with that said, let's get right into it. Yeah, so now we're gonna hit you with the first one, which is the fresh pear and musk. The fresh pear and musk. This is a fruity coconut type of vibe, man. This gives me almost also Blue Talisman vibe because of the fresh pear. And pear is one of the notes that's in Blue Talisman. Not necessarily Blue Talisman, but it gives you that fresh tropical type of feel with the coconut and the pear and the other notes as well. So right now we're gonna hit you with this. They give you this nice. This is a 75 mil right here. The 75 mils right here. The fresh pear and coconut. 75 mils right here. So with this one, like I said, this is a beautiful fragrance, and their atomizers are pretty good atomizers. They're very nice atomizers. That fresh pear is like almost like lotiony type of. It's like a pear lotion, pear coconut lotion. It's very nice, very spring, summertime, very uplifting, very bright fragrance. This is a beautiful fragrance right here, fresh pear and coconut. So right now I'm gonna hit you with the notes. So the top notes of this one is Italian lemon, okay, orange and pear. So we got the citruses right off top, fruits. Mid is coconut and jasmine, okay, and the base is amber, sandalwood, and vanilla. Really simple, really beautiful, very bright, very spring, summertime fragrance. And like I said, this is Extrait de Parfum. This stuff, the dry down is beautiful. It gives you that nice lotionly, like fresh pear lotion, coconut, and the Italian lemon. The Italian lemon. I'm talking about limber. The Italian lemon really makes it citrusy and light. You know, so this is a very beautiful fragrance. I would definitely tell everybody, to get their nose on it before, buying it. Because some people don't like coconut, and that's understandable. Some people might be allergic to coconut, and they might not like the smell altogether. But this is a beautiful, simple fragrance by Banana Republic. This is like I said, the Banana Republic Italian for Collection Reserve. We're not even going to go there. I'm not even going to butcher the name of this, but it's the Collection Reserve in English. Okay, so we got fresh pear and coconut. So now that we got the fresh pear and coconut out the way, we're going to hit you with the second one from the Banana Republic collection. We have marshmallow and lavender. Okay, so this one is going to be on the sweet side, not necessarily super gourmand, but this is a beautiful fragrance also as well. So if you like the sweetie of the marshmallow, then that would be nice. Some people don't like gourmand, some people don't like the sweetie, but the marshmallow is really, like, I wouldn't say it's potent, but it is prominent. The lavender is there as well. But this is another 75 ml bottle of the marshmallow and lavender. So as you already know, the atomizers are dope. They're good. They get a nice. This one is very marshmallow sweet forward. It's a sweet forward. So I'm gonna tell you the notes of this one, okay? So you can understand like how they layered this one. So the top is marshmallow, peach, and vanilla. So off top we got the sweet, we got the vanilla, and we got the marshmallow. Okay, so the mid we got jasmine and lavender, and then the base we got musk and sugar. So this one is, I want to say gourmand, but this is a sweet fragrance. It's not gourmand like candy, like a confectionery, super sweet, but you do get that marshmallow. And like I said, these things are extrait de parfum quality. Extrait de parfum quality. This stuff is potent. This stuff is gonna last all day. So the lavender cuts the super sweetness of the vanilla and the sugar and the marshmallow down. So you don't, like I said, you don't get a heavy gourmand like gourmand fragrances, where it's super sweet, prominent up front, and just bold and in your face, and you could just smell that over everything else. So this is a good blend of marshmallow and lavender. Lavender kind of cuts that super sweet, the sweet tooth type of fragrances. So this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Let me do another hand because I already got some on that one. I'm gonna do my hand. I'm gonna do my arm on my last one because I love my last one. Yeah, this is nice. My daughter likes this. She loves this one because it's sweet, but yet it's not too sweet. And I can't say that this will fall under a gourmand, but it is sweet. So it's got a sweet balance of the floral and the sweetness too. So this is good. Jasmine, lavender, and the musk. So this is good. It's not bad. Like I said, if you want something that has a sweetness to it, but not overly sweet, gourmand sweet, this is a good one. So we got marshmallow, lavender. Check that out. Okay, so last but not least, in the Banana Republic Collection Reserve, I'm gonna hit you with my favorite. Now this one is a clean, musky fragrance. Okay, this is sandalwood and musk. Sandalwood and musk. This is a beautiful fragrance, clean, fresh, musky fragrance. Okay, so like I said, 75 ml bottles, beautiful size, and very nice weight to the bottle, and then slight little like metal caps. It's really good quality bottles, very heavy. So this one with the sandalwood and musk, I'm gonna hit you with the bergamot, the lilac, and orris root. Okay, that's at the top. The mid is amber and musk in the mid, and at the bottom you got cedarwood and sandalwood. So that lets you know this is a like a clean, musky, woody type fragrance. Sandalwood and musk, the orris root will give you that. Like I said, that gives you that nice, clean, buttery type of fragrance, extrait de parfum quality. This is clean. If you love clean, I would say barbershoppy, but this is like soapy, like dish detergent. I always say this smells like Mr. Bubbles bubble bath. If you that type of person, I'm telling my age, if you like Mr. Bubbles bubble bath, that's what this puts me in the mind of. This is clean, soapy. This is super fresh, super clean, super beautiful. Just like you just got out of a nice bubble bath. You're spilling on clean, some good soap. You know what I'm saying? You got some nice fresh clothes coming out the dryer. This one is beautiful. This is a beautiful spring, summer fragrance. It's not super overbearing like someone. It's not citrusy, but it is clean, and it is an extrait de parfum. So this will last. So on your skin and on your clothes, this is going to have you smelling like you just came out of a car wash or something. Like you're going to smell super fresh, super soapy. This is beautiful. That musk and that sandalwood and cedarwood, yo, this is beautiful, man. I'm serious. Like, I mean, it does have the bergamot, so you got that citrus to light it up at the top. Bergamot is not super citrus, but it does add that citrus kick. Lilac, orris root, the amber and musk, sandalwood, cedarwood. I mean, this is beautiful. This is a very, very clean scent. And this is one, like I said, summer, spring banger. Summer, spring banger. So this is Sandalwood and Musk by Banana Republic Reserve Collection Reserve. So that's my 3 that I got. I'm definitely going to be adding more fragrances from the Banana Republic because they got several other fragrances, and I definitely want to add the rest to my collection. On top of there's other things that I actually want to add to my collection as well. But we're going to take our time and we're going to do what we do. We're going to crank these videos out and we're going to do what we do. So with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications, all that good stuff, because yes, I'm trying to crank these videos back up, and it's been a minute, but I'm here. I got plenty of stuff to make videos for. I got stuff back here that I haven't even got to yet, but we're going to get to it. With that being said, you hold it down. This is Hentai Sense. I'm out. Peace.